Good morning, dears. We have completed up to question number 5 from exercise 10a. Look at the question number 6. Here it says the perimeter of triangle is 8a square. The perimeter of triangle (8) a square minus 3a minus 4. Two sides are 3a square minus 5a minus 5 and 2a square minus a minus 3 respectively. So the third side is equal to perimeter minus sum of two sides. So perimeter we have 8a square minus 3a minus 4 minus, I'll be adding these two sides, that is 3a square minus 5a minus 5 plus 2a square minus a minus 3, or it gives you 8a square minus 3a minus 4 minus 3a square plus 2a square, 5a square minus 5a minus a minus 6a minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8, or it gives you 8a square minus 3a minus 4 minus 5a square plus 6a plus 8. 8a square minus 5a square, 3a square minus 3a plus 6a, so plus 3a minus 4 plus 8, so plus 4. So this is the third side. We have got the third side of a triangle here. Please write it. Then the question number 7, it says what must be subtracted from this to get this? What must be subtracted from 10 to get 7? What do? We subtract 10 minus 7. So similarly, we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. So let us see question number 7. (4x cube minus 5x square plus 3xy minus 8, sorry, this is written wrong, 4x cube y cube minus 5x square y cube plus 3xy minus 3x cube y cube 9x square y cube minus 6xy. Is it? Now we'll be writing 4x cube y cube 5x square y cube plus 3xy minus 3x cube y cube minus plus 9x square y cube minus plus 6xy. Now 4x cube y cube minus 3x cube y cube, that gives you x cube y cube minus 5x square y cube plus 9x square y cube gives you 4x square y cube plus 3xy plus 7xy 6xy, that gives you 9xy. So this we have got the answer. So we'll write our answer x cube y cube plus 4x square y cube plus 9xy should be subtracted from 4x cube y cube minus 5x square y cube plus 3xy to get 3x cube y cube minus 9x square y cube minus 6xy. The finally answer has to be written in this way. Now you see the board is adjusted. Please write it. Next we have multiplication of algebraic expressions. Here first we have to multiply monomial to monomial, then binomial to binomial. So we just start exercise 10b. Look at question number 1 from exercise 10b. The first question, here you have to multiply monomial by 2m monomial. Just you can see the question is 3x to the power 4 into 7x cube. What we know, the process we know, the numbers has to be multiplied. 3 7s are 20x, 21, and x to the power 4 and into x to the power 3. The rule of exponent work here. 4 plus 3, 7. You have learned if the bases are same, we add the index in multiplication, is it? So this will be 21 x to the power 7, 5 ABC into 3 ABC. So 5 3s are 15, a square, b square, c square. Like that we'll write. Okay, look at number 3. Here you have to multiply monomial by a monomial. You have two terms, has to be multiplied with two terms. So first of all we'll multiply with 2a, both the terms. 2 3s are 6a square, 2 4s are 8ab, 3 3s are 9ab, plus 3 4s are 12b square. You can see 8ab and 9ab are in like term. So we'll add it up together. That gives you 17ab plus 12b square. So when it is multiplied with monomial, binomial to binomial, you have to take the first term, multiply both the terms of the second number, second expression, then you have to take the second term, then again multiply both the terms of second expression, then which are in the like term, you have to add it up. In the case of this multiplication, you must keep the sign in mind. You can see the next one. It is given 6x plus 5 multiplied with 5x minus 3. Now 6x into 5x, that gives you 6 5s are 30, x into x, x square. Now plus 6 minus 3, this gives you minus 18x. Do not skip the sign. Now plus 5 multiplied with plus 5. So this gives you 25x, which is plus. Now plus 5 multiplied with minus 3. So minus plus minus minus. 5 3s are 15. Now minus 18x and plus 25x are in like term. So the answer would be 30x square plus 7x minus 15. So do not skip the sign. Signs should be properly given, then only your answers will be okay. Otherwise you will have a problem. So you multiply, you finish it up to question number maybe 8 today. 9 onwards we will be solving next day. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Okay, till then you must keep practicing. Thank you so much. Up to 8 you have to finish. 1 8, 1 9 will do the next day. Okay, leave it today for here. Thank you.